Hello everyone, welcome to Click2Cloud. In this video, we are going to see the quick demo on Click2Cloud Docker plugin. So this is my Visual Studio 2015 and I already downloaded the Click2Cloud Toolkit and I can see the Docker Explorer here. So I can see the Click2Cloud Docker Explorer here and I'm going to connect to the Docker Engine services and finish. So once I log in, I can see all the list of containers and images here. Now let's pull an image from Docker Hub and search. Here we can see the list of Firefly images. Click on next. From here we can select the tags and finish. Here we can see the Docker logs. It's connecting to the Docker Hub repository and pulling the image. Here we can see all the logs. It's pulling the layer. And here we can see the image is successfully downloaded. Let's refresh it. And here we can see the JBoss Firefly image. Now I'm going to run this image. So here we need to provide the name of the image. And from here we can select the ports and the link containers. Here we can see the data volumes. We can mount the volumes to the container, and here we can see the environment variables and finish. So it will run the Docker image of Wildfly, and here we can see all the container logs. Also we can see the image is successfully running, and we can directly browse the application right from here. So here we can see the image is successfully running as a container, and the container we have browsed. Now let's build the image from source code using Dockerfile. So here we can see the build image, which helps us to build the image. And here I have my source code, and we can see the Docker file as well. Here we can see the Docker file. We can directly edit the Docker file right from here. Let's close it and click on finish. and here we can see the build logs, and we can see the image is successfully built. Now let's refresh it, and here we can see the build app image. Now let's run this image. Now provide the name, build app, and the publish expose ports. Now let's link this container with the MS SQL container, and OK. Click on next and finish. Now it's running the Docker image as a container. Here we can see the container successfully running, and we can see it's linked with the MS SQL DB container running here. Now let's browse this application. And here we can see the MS SQL example container is successfully running and is successfully linked with the MS SQL DB.
While connecting Click2Cloud Visual Studio Docker plugin with Alien Cloud, first we have to create a cluster on Alien Cloud. First of all, log in into Alien Cloud with your credentials. Then go to Container Services tab. Click on Create Cluster button. After creating a cluster, then click on Manage Action. Download the TLS certificate from here. Then copy the cluster access point for further use. After creating a cluster, set the environment variable as Docker host. Provide the cluster access point as a value, which is copied from Alien Cloud. Provide the Docker TLS verifier. Set the Docker TLS verifier as value 1. Then Docker set path, and provide the path of the TLS certificate which you are downloaded from Alien Cloud. Now go to Visual Studio. Click on New Connection button. Provide the valid name of connection. Select the Use Custom Connection setting. Paste the host name, that is nothing but the cluster access point. Select the Enable Authentication. Browse the path of TLS certificate which you are downloaded from Alien Cloud. Then click on Finish button. You can see that our new connection is created. You can see the list of images which are present in Alien cluster. The features which are working with local Docker engine, same features works with Alien Cloud. Thank you.